Welcome to D12 Celebrities. If you have not subscribed to the channel, please do so. WF James Brown is a Nigerian dancer, social media influencer, and content creator. Here's an overview of his profile. Social media: he is having 1.4 million followers on Instagram, 2.5 million followers on TikTok, and 500,000 followers on Facebook. He was born on October 6, 1990. Origin: from Benin City, Edo State, Nigeria. Lifestyle: he is known for his energetic and entertaining dance videos. Often shares his personal life, fashion, and lifestyle content on social media. Collaborates with other influencers, dancers, and celebrities. Yes, WF James Brown is also known for his cross-dressing and androgynous style. He often shares photos and videos of himself wearing feminine clothing and makeup, and has expressed his comfort and confidence in exploring different gender expressions. WF James Brown has stated that he identifies as a non-binary person and uses he/her/him pronouns. He has also spoken about the importance of self-expression and acceptance, and has used his platform to promote inclusivity and diversity. Like the Brisky, WF James Brown has faced both support and criticism for his gender expression and cross-dressing. However, he remains a popular and influential figure in the Nigerian entertainment and social media scene, known for his talent, creativity, and unapologetic individuality. Dancing career: specializes in Afrobeat and hip-hop dance styles. Has worked with prominent Nigerian artists such as Davido and Burna Boy. Performs at events, concerts, and music videos. Movie career: has appeared in a few Nollywood movies, including Ogara Booyah and The Devil's Hand. Other ventures: brand ambassador for several fashion and lifestyle brands. Hosts events and workshops, teaching dance and entertainment skills. Please note that WF James Brown's social media presence and follower count may change over time. Additionally, his personal life and career are subject to public scrutiny and debate. Please don't forget to subscribe to this channel.